Once upon a time, there was a young girl named Lily. She lived in a small village surrounded by beautiful flowers and greenery. But Lily was always raining on her own parade, complaining about everything from the sunshine being too bright to the flowers being too colorful. One day, a wise old man came to the village. He saw Lily's unhappiness and asked her, "Why are you always crying over spilt milk, little one?" Lily replied, "I don't know. I just can't seem to find the silver lining in anything." The old man smiled and said, "Happiness is a choice, Lily. Try to make the best of every situation and don't sweat the small stuff." Lily thought about this and decided to take his advice to heart. The next day it rained heavily in the village. While others were stuck in a rut, Lily chose to see the bright side. She danced in the puddles and sang in the rain, saying, "Every cloud has a silver lining." The villagers were amazed by her positivity, and soon the entire village was filled with laughter and happiness. From then on, Lily made a conscious effort to look on the bright side of things. She learned to appreciate the little things and spread joy wherever she went. The villagers were inspired by her positivity, and soon the entire village was a happy and harmonious community. Idioms used in the story: raining on her own parade, spoiling her own happiness, crying over spilt milk, worrying about something that's already happened and can't be changed. Find the silver lining. Look for the positive aspect of a situation. Make the best of every situation. Try to find the good in every situation. Don't sweat the small stuff. Don't worry about the little things. Stuck in a rut. Feeling stuck or unable to move forward. Every cloud has a silver lining. There is always something positive to be found in a difficult situation. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please subscribe.